Hi, Brian Gorman from Buncee here. I just wanted to show you how to add a shadow box or a shape behind your text in order to make it a little easier to read if you have a busy background in Buncee Creation. So let's go ahead, open up your creation canvas, and I'm going to start here. I'll just grab one of our backgrounds here, so we'll just grab this one. Let's click here to add an item. Let's add some text. We'll just say, hello everyone. Oh, so now we have our text in there, and maybe we want our text to be white. And we really want that text to pop out. So we could always change our font, make it bold, larger, or smaller with the plus or the minus. Let's go ahead and adjust that a little bit. If I'm going to go into my item panel over here by pressing the plus sign on the top right, I can search on our general search on top, and I'm going to search for shadow. Now we can search for something like shadow. We can scroll down over here. We find a nice shadow box. Let's drag that in. And we can make that the size of our text. Now, if we look, right now our shadow is on top of our text. But if we go to our layers panel over here on the right, I can select my shadow, drag it behind, and now my text will pop a little bit. I could also do this with shapes. So if I wanted to just go into stickers, and I could scroll down in categories over here, and we could just go to shapes, and I could choose some shapes over there. We have plenty to choose from in order to put your text in front of. You could also search for transparent. You'll find some transparent shapes as well that you could put behind your text in order to make it pop, but still get the feel of that same background. So scroll through these, have some fun, be sure your layers are in the correct panel, in the correct order, and have a great day. Thank you so much.